Hello and welcome. We are excited to announce the launch of cySync mobile app for Android and iOS. In this video, I'll guide you through how to download, set up, and start using your cySync mobile app. On your Android phone, open the Play Store and search for cySync. Tap Install. On your iPhone, open the App Store, search for cySync, and download the app. Once installed, the rest of setup is same for both Android and iOS. Tap Get Started. With the cySync mobile app, you can track your crypto assets across all wallets linked to your Cypherock X1, view your complete transaction history, receive crypto assets directly into your Cypherock X1 wallet, receive notifications for any transactions initiated from the Cypherock X1, and stay updated with real-time wallet notifications and status update. For added security, you can also set a password for your cySync mobile app. Now, to connect your cySync mobile app with your Cypherock X1, first make sure you have already set up your Cypherock X1 using the cySync desktop app. On your cySync desktop app, go to Settings. Under General, click Show QR Code. On your mobile, tap Scan QR Code. Scan the code displayed on your cySync desktop app. Your accounts will now start syncing to your mobile. Please stay on the screen and keep your phone's display on until the process is complete. Remember, your cySync mobile app and cySync desktop app sync manually. Since your mobile app stores data locally, you will need to resync every time there is an update on your desktop app. And that's it, you have successfully set up the cySync mobile app.